making surmai fish curry for dinner, so thought why not share the recipe with you all. So yes, welcome back to my channel. Today we are back again with another recipe video. Today I'll be sharing with you recipe of making surmai fish curry, which is also known as kingfish fish curry. So let's start. First I'll show you what ingredients we need for making fish curry. That's surmai fish. I've sliced them. It's about 6 to 7 pieces. It's nicely cleaned and washed. Here we need some mustard seeds, 6 to 7 curry leaves. This is 2 tomatoes which I've pureed them, 1 onion which I've ground them into fine paste, freshly chopped coriander, green coriander. Here I've taken cooking oil. That's 1 spoon of ginger garlic paste, half lemon, few fenugreek seeds. In dry spices I have taken Kashmiri red chili powder 1 spoon, 1 spoon of fish masala. I use Achi fish curry masala. This is completely optional. You can use any garam masala that you've got. I bought this from India. Then I'll be using turmeric powder, half spoon, 1 spoon of coriander powder. This is half spoon of red chili powder. This is spicy one, and salt as per taste. So let's begin. So the first step is to marinate the fish. So I'll be adding in half spoon of salt to it, half spoon of turmeric powder, squeeze in some lemon, and marinate the fish. This will take the fishy smell that you get usually. Rub it nicely all over. Now you can see we've marinated the fish very nicely. Now we'll move on to the next step, that is making of the fish curry. So we're gonna start preparing the fish curry now. Put the pan on, switch the gas on. To this I'll be adding in some cooking oil, which is roughly about 2 to 3 spoons. Let it become hot. Now that the oil is hot, I'm gonna add in some methi seeds, some mustard seeds, onion paste, and mix it well. Cook it till the onions changes its color and the rawness of it goes. It's been about 5 to 8 minutes. Now you can see the onions have cooked very nicely. At this point I'm gonna add in ginger garlic paste, 1 spoon, tomato paste. I've used 2 tomatoes, 6 to 8 curry leaves, half spoon of salt, red chili powder, coriander powder, 1 spoon of Kashmiri red chili powder, and mix it well. You're gonna cook this masala for about 8 to 10 minutes till the rawness of the masala goes and oil loses out from it. So you know that the masala has been cooked nicely. So I'm gonna cook this masala now. So it's been about 15 minutes. Our masala has cooked very nicely. You can see oil is coming out from the masala that we made. At this point, I'm gonna add in some water. Add in water to the quantity required, how thick you want to make your gravy. Mix it well. I've used tomatoes to make this gravy for the sourness. Some people even use tamarind water. Some people also use kokum. So it depends on your personal choice what you want to use for sourness. So we've got the gravy here. At this point I'm gonna add in the fish curry masala to it. Mix it and let it simmer for 5 minutes. So it's been about 10 minutes. Our gravy is cooked very well. At this point, I'm gonna add in the fish that we marinated. I've kept the gas medium low. Add the fish slowly to the gravy, one by one. Once you've added the fish, just give it a nice swirl. Do not use a spoon to mix it, and you cover and cook it for about not more than 10 minutes. Fish cooks very fast, so not more than 8 to 10 minutes. Okay, so it's been about 8 to 9 minutes. Our fish curry is all ready now. I'll show you. Wow, how nicely our curry is cooked. Our fish is also cooked, you can see. At this point, what I'm going to do is I'm gonna garnish, and I'm gonna add in some freshly chopped green coriander to it. Mix it nicely and do the plating and show you. Look how yummy it's looking. I'll do the plating and show you all. So I've finally done the plating. Let me show you how it's turned out to be. That's the Surmai fish curry that we made. I've served it with some steamed rice. I'll show you how nice the curry is. See. Okay, what I'm going to do, I'm going to take one piece in my plate. With some gravy. And taste and show you all how it's turned out to be. First I'll show you how nice the fish is. See? So nice and tender it is. It's cooked from inside. Do not overcook it. That's the main thing. If you all cook it too much, it's gonna break very easily. So I'm gonna taste and show you all. I'm gonna take a piece of fish with some gravy. It made me remember my dad. This version that I made today, the whole credit of this recipe goes to my dad. I have learned this recipe from my papa. He makes absolutely delicious fish curry. It's perfect, just the way I've showed you. Try this recipe. The sourness, the tenderness of the fish, the masala that we have used is cooked very well. Soft, very good, very tasty. Just try this recipe. You can have it with plain rice, you can have it with chapati, paratha, you can even have it with pulao. So that's all for today's video, guys. I hope you liked my video. If you do, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you in your next video. Till then, stay happy and stay smiling. Bye.